Hello, I'm Rex. I made a posting that said that I had made a flip-up train board that would be from moving mode to operating mode in 5 minutes or less. And somebody said, I would sure like to see that. And somebody else told me it was impossible. I'm sorry, I'm a naval aviator. The extremely hard takes me a couple minutes. The impossible takes me just a little bit longer. I'm going to show you this. This whole thing just rolls, and it's all set up to roll. So it is mobile, and it's width to go through doors. I'm going to walk you around it. This is going to be a single take event, I hope. I'm going to walk you around it. There's nothing preset on this board, so you're going to see the entire process of flipping this board up and getting it operational. And the only aid I'm going to use is a kitchen timer, because I want to know how long it takes. So let's go to it. Kitchen timer off and running. 1 second. Okay, I'm already into 1 second on the timing. Lift up this side, reach underneath, pull down a leg, flip it till it locks in place, flip down the other leg, lock it in place. Walk over here, grab this side, flip this side up, knock a leg down. All I gotta do is grab the end, because they're held up with magnetic catches so they don't just fall down, and put it in place. Okay, open up the transformer drawer, pull out the transformer plug because that's where it's wired. And all the wires are all pre-wired. They're all soldered in. Transformer says green. Reach down here. My wife loves Hogwarts Express, Harry Potter. It's a great series. We're going to use the Hogwarts Express train to make this thing run. And because we have so much time running, so much time available. Let's see. We'll put some of the other cars up here too, because I've got time. If I was pressed for time, I wouldn't. But I've got time. So we'll put these guys up. We'll put the whole train up. Get the cars to catch. The couplings to catch, and the last car in the Hogwarts Express from Lionel, and up and running. Okay, wow, I'm at 2 minutes flat, and let's see if we can get this guy going. I don't run a lot. Uh-oh, I got a short. I got a wheel that's not on the track. That's what I'm running into. If you're watching your time, 2 minutes and 28 seconds, 2:34 right now. And let's keep going here, guys. Okay, it's got switches all over the place. I've got 2, 4, 6 switches in here, and I'm going to flip all of them. So we can go on the figure eights. We're at 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Train's up and running. 3 minutes and 37 seconds, 47 seconds. Train's up and running. When you tell me it's impossible, you're probably wrong. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.